The future me is rich. Yes, future me is rich. Every financial advice says save for the future. So I've been sacrificing for future me. Future me is eating well. Future me is living comfortably. Meanwhile, present me is suffering. Now I'm starting to suspect something. What if future me is just using me? Yes. What if future me is just using me? Because every day I work hard and another version of me gets the benefit. Why? Anyway, it's alright. It's alright.